Well, yeah, we're getting some Christmas snow. We're in the middle of a blizzard. We have no power right now. Power's out. The wind is blowing pretty hard, as you can see. There's not much snow on the ground. I'm not sure that it's actually snowing. Well, no, I think it is snowing. But a lot of it's blowing around because of the wind, so you can see the grass. But if you look over there, you can see that it's snowing pretty good. You can't even see hardly across the street at all. And yeah, so someone come dig me out tomorrow. Power's back on, finally. It was getting really cold in here. And as you can see, it's -4 and light snow outside and really windy. It now says blizzard.